Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a G major 74 on KineMaster. So G major 74 is a type of audio effect that distorts the original sound by modifying pitch or frequency and also sometimes adding inversions effects, and it's commonly used in video editing for fun, meme videos, or eerie effects. So you can just import your audio or video to KineMaster. Here I'm going to use a video, this one. Okay, once you open the media, here you can just extract the audio. If you're using a video, click on your video, you can scroll down until you find the extract audio options, this one. Tap on that, and once the audio is extracted, you can just duplicate the extracted audio layer to create multiple layers. Click on the audio and duplicate it. Click on the three dot icon on the left side corner and tap on duplicate. Now you can just apply or modify each audio layer to get the G major 74 effect. So on the first layer of the audio, you can just leave it as it is, and on the second one in here, you can just select on it and find the audio filter options. So here, tap on the voice changer, and here I'm going to just use the chipmunk. Okay. And next, you can just, you need to duplicate the audio again. So there are 4 layers of audio. Okay. And then on the third layer in here, you can just reverse the audio. So tap on reverse. And just choose the reverb audio that you want. And after that, for the last layer, the fourth layer, you can just revert and add some echo. Okay, I'm going to just use the echo room in here. And now you can just adjust the audio timing and blend. You can just slightly offset each layer, so move them a few milliseconds apart to create the breath effects. So I'm going to just move it slightly to the left. Like this. And after that, you can just lower the volume of duplicate layers to avoid overpowering noise. Okay, I'm going to just go with the mixer. You can just volume it down. I'm going to go with 50% for all the second until the last layer. So once you are satisfied, you can just preview the result first. You can just export it if you are already satisfied with the result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.